guys, I'm going to be changing Cooper. Shut this. And right now he's trying to read a book. It's called Really Truly Bingo, and he loves the puppy. See it? He's playing with Bryce's puppy. But I'm going to be changing him, and he's going to have a new diaper, which he actually has a pull-up on, but I'm changing him into a diaper.
I hope these are size 3s. I really hope they're big enough because the
so.
ones from Dollar Tree are junk. That's all I gotta say. There's a little baby Big Bird in the pocket.
A little baby Big Bird.
On the butt.
But that's the front.
No, it's not. Size 3 goes in the back.
Oh, never mind.
Pocket on the butt.
And the chevron.
Oh, look! He's got safety pins on the side. Pampers has changed their look since you and Gage has been born.
I know.
Look, it's a little button.
But I'm gonna change him into this little outfit with this little gray striped shirt, and it wasn't Miss Gage's. And then these little monkey overalls. And that is what I'm gonna change him in. And he dressed himself yesterday.
What does it say?
It says #1 hunting buddy. But he dressed himself, so I let him. Which explains why he has an owl passy. So let me go ahead and get him undressed.
He's got the beautifulest blue eyes.
I know. I don't have blue eyes. I got green.
Like Gemma.
Look at this big boy.
We got a vacuum.
Yep.
Coop! He might be a little bit bigger than Georgia. But they got the same body.
Also, he's a little bit more chunkier than she is.
I really hope that diaper fits.
I hope so too.
Because Georgia is wearing flip-flops.
If not, he's going to be up to 6 diapers.
That's what... Now that actually looks good. That's what them diapers are in there. A 6.
Which ones?
The ones we got from Dollar Tree.
Oh.
Yep. Now those actually fit. They like stretch.
Thank goodness that fits him, because we have a whole pack of them in there. I am loving having a big kit.
I like having the toddler too.
Mama?
What? Oh, Cooper!
Cooper! You gotta put your overalls down.
He said, but I want them.
Well, you'll get them in a minute. Let me just put your shirt on first.
That fits because I had it on Finn.
I remember one of the changing videos we had of Finn. You let me change him.
I can't.
It was a little bear outfit.
What happened to that blue striped onesie with the green crab on it?
Blue striped onesie.
I had it for Finn, remember?
I think we got rid of it.
Great.
I know which one you're talking about now.
I'll never find it again.
No.
Did you ever decide of a middle name for him?
Yes, ma'am.
What? What? Well, tell him.
His middle name is going to be Austin because since Georgia has the initials GA, he has the initials of California.
Oh. So it's Cooper Austin?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Callie, baby.
Remember I was looking at surfer names?
Yeah. And you might want to pull up on the legs. Yeah, pull the. There you go. And you can pull it down. It's just they were like really tight on his little legs.
These are so cute.
Aunt Gina got those for Gage.
She did?
Mhm.
Oh. That is so cute. Look.
He's cute.
Even though it has a little monkey on it, it's still cute.
Yes, it is. That little mustache Patsy look cute with it. Where is it? Mustache, you question.
Is it in the car seat?
No. It was just in his mouth, wasn't it?
Oh, found it.
There we go.
Goodness.
We need some stronger magnets.
Yeah.
Put it up on his lip.
Cooper. There we go.
You yanked him. You like. There.
There.
Now, what's your mustache me a question, Coop?
Can I have my book back?
Yes.
His favorite page.
Hey, puppy? There's a puppy in your book. Cooper! They don't want that puppy.
What is it?
Mom, you'll have to do a video on her reading you that book later. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.